Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete columns in Wrike in 2025. If you want to streamline your workspace by removing unnecessary columns, this guide is for you. Let's get started. First, navigate to the specific project where you want to delete a column. This is important because you want to make changes in the correct project space. Next, identify the column you want to remove. Look at your table and locate the column that's no longer needed, whether it's an old data metric or a completed phase. Now hover over the column header and you'll see 3 dots appear. Click on these dots to open a drop-down menu with several options. From the menu, select Hide Column. This will immediately remove the column from your visible workspace. Don't worry, this action doesn't permanently delete the data, so you can bring the column back later if needed. And that's it. By following these steps, you can keep your Wrike workspace clean, efficient, and tailored to your current project needs. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Wrike tips, and I'll see you in the next one.